Nasdaq closes 1.7% higher as Tesla booms, Dow adds 200 points. Wall Street stocks performed well on Thursday as traders analyzed the latest corporate results and fourth-quarter GDP growth, which beat expectations. That led to a rise in major market averages, with the Nasdaq Composite up 1.76% to 11,512.41, the Dow Jones Industrial Average up 205.57 points, 0.61%, to 33,949.41, and the S&P 500 gaining 1.1% to close at 4,060.43. The Nasdaq in particular benefited from strong performance from Tesla, whose shares jumped nearly 11% after posting record revenue and solid earnings. That gave a boost to EV and tech stocks, with other tech giants like Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon and Alphabet also gaining. IBM, however, was down about 4.5% despite a drop in revenue. Additionally, airline earnings were also released on Thursday, with Southwest shedding 3% on a larger-than-expected loss driven by the holiday meltdown. American Airlines rose 2.2% after a positive fourth-quarter result. However, United and Delta also registered declines. Another company that performed well was Chevron, which rose nearly 5% after announcing a $75 billion share buyback program. In general, the main averages point to weekly and monthly gains. The Dow and S&P are up 1.7% and 2.2% this week, respectively. The Nasdaq gained 3.3% this week and is on course for its best month since July. Economic growth, GDP data released on Thursday showed the economy expanded at an annualized rate of 2.9% during the fourth quarter, the Commerce Department said. That's above the Dow Jones estimate of 2.8%, but represents a slight cooling from the third-quarter reading. Investor analysis: with the better-than-expected GDP number today, I think investors are thinking that we might be able to pull out of a mild recession that is unlikely to launch us into an even deeper bear market when all is well. Said and done, said Sam Stover, Chief Investment Strategist at CFRA Research. Earnings season: a mixed earnings season dragged on, with strong Tesla results giving a boost to Nasdaq and EV stocks. Tesla jumped nearly 11% after posting record revenue and solid earnings. Tech giants Microsoft, Nvidia, Amazon and Alphabet also won. IBM fell about 4.5% despite a drop in revenue. Aviation sector: earnings for airlines were released on Thursday, with Southwest shedding 3% in a bigger-than-expected loss boosted by the holiday meltdown. American Airlines rose 2.2% after a fourth-quarter hit. United and Delta also dropped. Elsewhere, Chevron is up nearly 5% after announcing a $75 billion share buyback program. Projections: all major averages point to weekly and monthly earnings. The Dow and S&P are up 1.7% and 2.2% this week, respectively. Nasdaq gained 3.3% this week.